So, hi students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about assignment 13, 9th class, work power energy. So the first question is, a body of mass m, for example m is equal to 10 kg of mass raised from certain depth. By the time is raised by already certain depth, h is equal to 10 meters, h is equal to 10 meters, and velocity. So velocity is equal to 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. So work done during this time. So already m is there. So you have to take g is equal to 9.8. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So total work done. So work done is equal to, so here total mechanical energy, that is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So that is equal to mgh plus of mv square. So that is equal to, what is m? 10 into 9.8 into h is equal to 10 meters plus of m 10 v square. V is equal to 2 meter per second square, that is equal to 2 square, that is equal to, okay, so 98, 980, okay, 980 plus 2 gets cancelled, okay, that is equal to plus 20, that is equal to 1000 joules, 1000 joules, okay. So here it is, fourth option. And next question. The second question is, a bucket is filled with a water weighing 200 kg. So for example, you have to take one bucket filled with the water. So weight that is 200 kg, 20 kg, 20 kg. Okay, so 20 kg is raised from a well of depth. So h is equal to 20 meters. So well of depth, that is equal to 20 meters. The linear density of rope also, for example, linear density with respect to meter is 0. That is equal to 2 kg, 0.2 kg, that is equal to 1/2 into kg, okay. So per meter, the amount of work done is, so W is equal to, already we know that W is equal to, here mgh plus with respect to the rope, that is m/2, so mgh by 2. So finally W is equal to, that is equal to 20 into, here g is equal to, I think 10 meter per second square. So 20 into 10 into, that is h 20 plus mgh by 2. So 4 into 10 into 10 by 2. Okay, you will get total weight. For example, here we will get that is equal to 4000 plus 400, that is equal to 4400 joules. 4400 joules. Okay, here third option is correct answer. And next one, a block of mass m is lowered with the help of a rope of negligible mass through a distance d, with an acceleration of g/3. So already we know the total acceleration you have to find out, that is equal, for example, g with respect to rope, that is equal to minus g/3. So here a is equal to g minus g/3, that is equal to 3g minus g/3, that is equal to 2g/3 is the total acceleration. You have to take 2g/3. And total work done by rope of block. So work done by rope of block, W is equal to, so already we know that m into total acceleration. Okay, for example, g, you have to take m into d into g. So distance into, here it is a cos theta, cos theta. So here rope with respect to block, rope with respect to block, the theta is equal to 180 degrees. So W is equal to m into what is total acceleration, that is 2g by 3 into d into cos 180 degrees minus 1, cos 180 degrees minus 1. So that is equal to 2 capital M to capital M. For example, you have to take mass capital M, 2m g d by 3 is minus. Okay. So second option is the correct answer. Next, a uniform rod of length 2 meters, uniform rod of length 2 meters and mass is so L is equal to 2 meters and the same it is mass, so M is equal to 5 kg mass, and is lying on a horizontal surface. The work done in raising one end of the rod and another end of the rod with contact surface until the rod makes. So here for example you have to take, this is the rod, okay, one end with respect to the horizontal surface, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So mass of the rod, that is equal to 5 kg and already we know that the length is 2 meters. Okay. So this is the horizontal, with respect to horizontal makes theta is equal to 30 degrees, theta is equal to 30 degrees. So what is the work done, where g is equal to 10 meter per second square is given. So total work done we want. So total work done W is equal to, already we know that mg, okay, mg h. Here h is equal to W is equal to, already we know that h with respect to here L. So L m into g into, where it is L by 2 into cos theta, L by 2 into cos theta. So W is equal to, m means 5 into g is equal to 10 is given, and L by 2, L by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 into, that is here with respect to this is cos, so cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta, that is equal to directly sin 30, okay, sin theta. So W is equal to 2 gets cancelled, so 50 into that is equal to 1 by 2 gets cancelled, W is equal to 25 joules, 25 joules. Okay. First option is the correct option. So here once again it is the mg into half into, here sin 30 you have to take, okay, sin 30. Okay. Thank you very much.